On the roads in California again. Through the desert areas, you come across some very small rest areas and towns. The route taken was the great overland stagecoach route of 1849. It was epic to know this route was once used by stagecoaches. At some of the stops, there were tons of old antiques and historical items littered throughout. Once we got to Borrego Springs, the market was hosting an art/flea market. There were tons of little tents set up with items ranging from glass figurines to wall pictures, hand-painted plates, candles, beef jerky, and more. We ended up buying some of the beef jerky and wish we had bought more. There was even an old town remodeled to look like an old western town that you could rent out and stay at as in a hotel. Each building is a separate room, essentially. After the market in town, we went scouting around until we found a huge field full of yellow flowers. The main reason for the trip was to see the Super Bloom in the desert. I have never seen it in person until this trip. And it was super because of all the rain. We took our time and walked through the desert wildflowers. The purples had already come and gone, but there were still a few left sprinkled amongst everything else. The yellow, though, were extremely plentiful. It was incredible to see wildflowers as far as you could see in the desert. The moment was quite memorable. The next stop was a park right up against the mountains. This was extremely crowded, but the park was beautiful with all different kinds of wildflowers. The trail was well laid out and was a short 1 to 2 mile hike to an oasis. There was camping and picnicking offered here. Further in the trail, there was even a small theater where small shows or presentations are put on. This trail had many more flowers than the first field we came to, and it even had a creek running through it. all of the rain and snowmelt, the dried up creeks are flowing and providing water to the parched desert. The flowers were so vibrant and spectacular. This was certainly a good destination to explore.